Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I solve this tab. First of all, copy this password, open Cloud Console in private window, then click on next and Control V, click on next, then click on I understand. Wait for a second to open. Now click the checkbox, agree and continue. Now simply activate Cloud Shell and maximize it. Click on continue. Now go to GitHub repo. I'll share this link in the description. Copy this command and then go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Click authorize. And it's done. Now simply go to tasks, click on task 1, scroll down, okay. Task 2, check my progress, done. For task 3, check my progress, done. For task 4, check my progress, done. For task 5, check my progress, done. We solve this lab in this lab. See you in next video. Till then, tata.